Hi everybody, it's your girl Mooney. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guess where we went? We went to Florida, baby. I hope you really enjoy watching this vlog as much as I enjoy making it. Like, the vibe on this trip with my friends and I, it was immaculate. Like, we had so much fun. So come to Florida with us, yeah. So it was Thursday. We went to pick up our friend from the airport, and then we drove to the Airbnb. It was in an entire resort. The resort was so beautiful. There was so many sceneries. I didn't even get to capture everything. The palm trees, the waterfall, just the vibe. It was giving what's supposed to be given. And there was other apartments as well, because like I said, it was a whole resort. And because it was the first day, everybody was chilling in, unpacking, just getting comfortable. We played some games. This was so much fun. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. The game was really nice. And then on Friday morning, shout out to the guys, shout out to Derek, shout out to Ephraim. They made us breakfast. Y'all, just think about this food now. I'm starting to get hungry. The food was really good. There was some waffles, turkey, bacon.
Father God, we say thank you for waking us up this morning. I say that the deep inside our being, ask that you guide us and protect us and bless what you are in Jesus' name. Amen.
Thank you for that short and sweet prayer, Bernalyn. The food was really good to Derek and Ephraim. I didn't even get to see the blueberry sauce, but it was really good as well. And then we just went in the pool. There, a little chilling session. The guys were cheating, so I heard they were cheating. But hey, it was all fun and games, Look at them celebrating that cheating win or whatever. But it was really fun though. I see they had so much fun. And then shout out to Derek. Derek made us some food. This is Bernalyn decor though. I'm gonna post a separate video of Derek doing his cooking session, because that one is all vibe by itself. Like, the food was really good. We all sat down and we ate, and after we got through eating, it was time for us to host our awards night, because we did some voting in our group chat, and this was so fun to do with my girl Lane. Okay,
hi everybody, welcome to Anything Can Happen Awards night. We have some awards for those who deserve in the group chat. I will be co-hosting with my partner over here. And the first one is Most Cry Baby. For the nominees, Lynn, you'll be crying a lot. And Janet. And the Most Cry Baby in the group chat is... Yeah, bro, I deserve it, right? I deserve it.
You're gonna explain tire.
You don't want to be cracked. So that's on your most useless farm. Some of these are Derek Farm, Mr. Status, and Your Farm. Amen. Mr. Annoying. Amen. Ephraim Farm. Wow. And the certificate is awarded for most useless farm. Most who?
Are you gonna say Charlotte Fox? I'm him. Yeah. You're not coming back? You go explain because no evidence.
Okay, so the next one we got is most quiet. Brenda Lee, Military Wife.
Yeah.
Or Hamza Mr. MIA. And then the one is given to Mr. Kelwin. That one.
We gotta take off.
I'm trying to get deserve this. I'm more of a surprise person yet.
That's one is the most sneakiest. That's person.
This one.
They just like you can see it coming. You're gonna nominate this for Derek, Mr. Status and on time. MIA or Asha, Chila Punani. It's a 1 or 2.
What you gotta say, man? What you gotta say?
the next day came. We went to the yacht. It was so much fun. Oh my gosh, it was so much fun. This is my first time being on a yacht, and they had unlimited mimosas.
Yeah.
Because
Hi, cousin. Yo, it's freaking hot. Hi, Malone.
It's my birthday.
It's your birthday?
Yeah.
because it was June, Bernardine told the people on the cruise that it was Hamza and Derek's birthday. That's what Hamza made was his birthday. But we really had fun on this cruise. I'm not even gonna lie. The scenery was given, the food was given, everything was on point. And trust when I say we got our worth of unlimited mimosas. You can't tell black people unlimited. We understood the assignment. We were even challenging each other who's gonna drink the most mimosas. I'm pretty sure Leo won though, because see, in this video, all the mimosas were going to him. That boy enjoyed himself. And then we went upstairs to check the view out. It was a vibe. They had live music. The place was very beautiful. I was like, wow. So this is how white people just be enjoying themselves. This is how money people just be enjoying themselves. Like, just come up here, sit down, looking at views, looking at water. See life, or I didn't want to go home. Then we got in the car to drive to the beach because we had the girls in one car and the guys in another car. When I tell you, our car was lit. I just can't put the sound because, you know, YouTube and not copyright. But our car was really, really lit. It was so fun. Hey, okay. You see my girls? Our village people tried to ruin things for us that day, but we said no. We didn't come to Florida to play, baby. And we're not gonna play. Everyone was having mad fun. Go Marty, go Marty, go Marty. We got to the beach. We didn't even stay long because the water tried to mess things up, but we still had fun.
Look at you. Marty. Ready.
Then we did volleyball. I didn't even know what I was doing, but hey, like I said, everything was fun. It was just for vibes. And we tried to do this challenge. Again, I can't put the sound on because, you know, everybody acting their best then. So when we all know who ate this challenge up, it was me. But come see this girl. Yeah. Hey. Okay, Lynn. Go, Lynn. I said correct now. Okay, Asha, let me see what you got. But what is my sister doing? She tried though. She tried. Enjoy herself. When I tell you I ate this challenge, this is what I meant. Go Mooney, go. Hey. No, if I'm being honest, she won. Yo, can't see him out, my people. But the highlight of that night, it was when we went to the lounge. When I tell you, a time was hot, baby. A time was hot. Can't even say too much. And then it was Sunday too. We were in the city. Oh my gosh, this place was so beautiful. So beautiful. I wish we had time to work around more because it was given. The DJ on this cruise too was on point. I'm not gonna forget Starship. Look at that water. Oh God, this is life. Oh, this is life. I didn't even want to come home. But this was a perfect way to end the night because we have fun. Hey. How low can you go? Hey, watching this video makes me so emotional, man. I love my friends. A time was hot. Yeah, nah. Hey, look at Jonah. Okay, come check Derek. Derek was in his zone. Don't play with that boy. My Ayo, you already know what song it was. Oh, the guys, this was nice. This was really nice. One of my favorite parts about to come up. How everybody's just gonna like join them with the song. Hey, yeah, a time was had. I love my friends. I really do. Hey, that boy Derek on it. Go Derek. I did it. Hey. And then it was time to go home. I really didn't want to go home. We ended the night the really perfect way. Sunday was a vibe. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. See you in my next video. Bye.